Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Sauer, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing on a new Spider Farmer light, the G300W. It's a full spectrum LED grow light, and I got it here right now. As you can see, it was delivered today actually, and you see the package came pretty good, no damage or nothing. But I'm going to get it open here and show it to you, and give you a little information about it. I want to thank everybody again for liking and subscribing. I will be doing a grow series with this light in the near future. So feel free to like and subscribe and stay tuned if you're curious to see one of these new lights and how they work over time. As you can see, it is packed very well with the foam padding inserts and the way the light is itself in the box. Obviously, some assembly is required. But these are going to be the two end parts. You can see where your bar lights are going to slide. The bar light is going to slide in. Detachable driver, which is great. I've used the SE series before, and these have very similar designs. You got some lines and chains, daisy chains and ratchets for the light to hold it. Really nice long extension cords on it and cord going to the driver. And these would be the adjusters, if I remember correctly, for the driver. Down here real quick and pull everything out. There's that. There's the ends. And then here we would have the lights, the actual bar lights themselves. You can see everything was packed very nicely. And then here is the actual bar light itself. Okay, and I'm going to read a little information about this light. Let's see, it's a maximum efficiency and uniform light. The Spider Farmer G300W LED grow light has a unique elongated light bar design that provides more uniform and comprehensive canopy coverage, especially at the edges of the cultivation area. With the 896 Bridgelux diodes, the G300W LED grow light is able to obtain 300 watts of power, achieving an impressive PPE of 2.75 emoji, covering 3 by 3 feet of plant growth throughout the cycle. The advanced full spectrum with UV and IR light. The G300W plant light is a full spectrum LED grow light with different wavelengths of light, perfect for every stage of plant growth from seed to harvest. The added extra UV light and IR light effectively promote robust stem growth as well as more flowers and fruit. The dimming button allows you to adjust the brightness of the light from 10 to 100% dimming to meet the needs of the plant growth. Also, daisy chain feature supports growers to connect 60 lights for dimming at the same time. The convenient embedded buckle design allows users to easily install and remove in just a few steps. Highly recommended for use in grow rooms, home growing, 3 by 3 grow tent, DWC, and hydroponics. Its fast cooling and detachable driver, the G300W strip grow light designs an aluminum heatsink on the back, benefit air circulation and fast heat dissipation. And the removable driver and a 7.7 foot power cord Extended the life of the grow light by reducing ambient heat in the grow space. The waterproof coating of the LED diodes protects the G300W from safe operation in wet conditions. It has a 5-year warranty. High quality products and attentive after sales services created irreplaceable Spider Farmer LED grow lights. 5 years of after sales services is provided for the G series grow lights, and any problems within 5 years can be replaced at your local repair center, US, Canada, UK, or Germany. Make sure you buy the Spider Farmer grow lights through the official channels for a truly high quality grow light. And this would be the G300W Spider Farmer grow light. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a series with it. I'm going to do a little assembly on it here. My series is going to start probably in about 2 or 3 weeks. So feel free to like and subscribe and follow along. Like I said, I'll be doing a grow with this light at that point. But until then, I'm just getting it ready, and I'm waiting for what I currently have in the space to finish up, and then this light will be replaced in that area. I want to thank everybody again for liking and subscribing, and I'll be sure to put some more information on a weekly basis on this light coming up in the very near future. I want to thank Spider Farmer again for giving me the opportunity to do a grow with this light and show you all what the Spider Farmer new series with the Bridge Lux diodes can do. Thanks again, everybody, and happy growing out there, and be safe.